Okay, see, this is a question from exercise 10.5, question number 9. What is given I have not written, I am going to read it from the textbook. Okay. See, two circles intersecting at 2 point B and C. This is a circle, this is another circle intersecting at point B and C. Okay. Through B, two line segments ABD and PBQ, ABD and PBQ through point B. These two lines are passing, ABD and PBQ. Okay, are drawn to intersect the circles at ADPQ respectively. ADPQ respectively. Okay, so these two lines are intersecting the circle at this point, A, D, P and Q. Okay. Then to prove angle ACP equal to angle QCD. ACP, this angle, QCD means you are going to prove these two angles are equal. You are going to prove these two angles are equal. So two circles intersecting at point B and C and two lines ABD and PBQ are passing through point B and intersecting the circle at the points ADPQ. We are going to prove that angle ACP equal to angle QCD. Alright? Now you see these two angles are equal because through this point ABD line and PBQ line passing. Okay, so I go to proof. Okay, so proof point number 1 I write angle PABP, angle ABP equals ABP means this angle equals angle QBD, angle QBD, this angle. What type of angles are there and why they are equal? They are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. And you have learned when any two lines intersect, anywhere, then the vertically opposite angles become equal. So this is a line intersecting at point B, so these two angles are equal because vertically opposite angles are equal. Alright? Now point number 2 I write. You see, suppose if you think AP is a line or DQ is also a line, means they are chords. Okay. A chord divides a circle into two segments. A chord divides a circle into two segments. So AP is a chord and DQ is a chord. So chord AP divides circle into two segments. This is minor segment, remaining part is major segment. Similarly, this one is minor segment, this one is major segment. And you also have learned or should have learned that angles in the same segment are equal. So these two angles are in the same segment. Angle ABP equals angle ACP. Angle ACP. Reason you write angles in the same segment of a circle. They are equal. Okay. Similarly, point number 3 you can write. Come to this circle. You see this DQ chord dividing the circle into this is one segment, that is another segment, minor, major segment. So in this segment you can see these two angles. Okay. So here you get angle QBD equal to angle QCD. Angle QBD means this angle equal to angle QCD. Angle QCD. So this one also same, only same as 2 you can write same as statement 2, reason that we have given, point number 2. That means angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Okay. So therefore, number 4 you can say. Now you see, study this here now. Come here. ABP equal to QBD. ABP equal to SCP. QBD equal to QCD. These two are equal. This equal to this equal to this. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Euclid geometry. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So therefore, you are getting it, angle ACP equal to angle QCD. Okay, but you have to refer to all these 3 points. Okay, so referring to point number 1, point number 2 and point number 3. Okay, hence put. Okay, so this is the proof of this question. I hope you have understood.